Okay guys, setting the berley. Oh, Stevo's hooked up. Oh, yeah, Stevo's on. Yeah, nipper number 2, just half pulley. Stevo's on. And we've got a double hook up. 5 meters of water. Oh, Stevo's on again. Nice big trev. Oh, Stevo's got the shark. Welcome to Real Kiwi Fishing. This week, Stevo and I back in the little weapon. Got a bit of wind with us today. So what we're doing is we're going to head up the harbour and we'll do a bit of bait and burley bash. See if we can get onto a few snaps up the harbour. Maybe the trevs again like last time. So yeah, in the harbour today, bait and burley bash. Hope you get onto a few. Hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, setting the berley. Berley's always that key in harbours. Doesn't matter what harbour you're in. It's pretty vital to have a berley going. Got wind against tide at the moment. It's going to be a little bit uncomfortable for the first hour. Then that tide will come in with the wind. It's going to start with I think it's a 1 ounce bead and 6 bar. Just because we're getting near the bottom of that tide, the current's not as strong. So hopefully get away with a lighter sinker. Just sitting in a nice little 5 metre hole off the main channel. The last time we were here it was pretty quiet and we moved up the other end of the hole. That's where we got onto a bit more snapper, small size. But trevally, there was a heap of trevally there for us, so see how we go. If nothing's here, we'll move up to that back end of the hole. Oh, Stevo's hooked up. First fish. Jump down there, babe. First bait, first fish. Hoping it's a nice snap. Is it a kahawai? Big trev. Not sure what it is. It's bouncing a bit like a trev. Kahawai. Which isn't too bad to start off with. Bit of bait, bit of lunch. Oh, yeah. Come on, Stevo. Hopefully it's not a kahawai. We don't mind a couple of kahawai for bait. Oh yeah, it's a snappy, Stevo. It's a little snappy. Our first little snappy for the morning. There you go. Nice little harbour snap. It's probably around that 47, 46, 47. We'll chuck them in the bin. Don't know how long we'll be out here, especially if that rain turns up. And if some bigger boys turn up, that's when Stevo's kahawai will come in handy. We'll chuck them in the bin. Oh, Stevo's on. Stevo's on. Woohoo! Could be one of those days. Just half police snapper. Looks snapperish, Stevo. It's nice and overcast. I like these days. Oh, it's another nice little snappy, Stevo. Yeah, another nice fish. Yeah, nice. Another one for the bin. Snapper number 2. Only been here for 2 minutes. Just lobbing our baits back, not too far, it's not very deep. Got that berley pretty much hard on the bottom because you got that current. You don't want to have your berley too high. It'll be up too high and it'll drift right back before it sort of gets down to the fish. So you want them to be close to the boat, drop it to the bottom. Like I was saying, we're only in 5 meters of water. Every now and then I'll just lift the rod to check the bait. Feel it hit the bottom again and just wait. Got some rain coming over the coast. Oh. Bit of a bite. Got that bite, but I've got the head of the pulley, so it might stay there for a bit longer. I'll leave it for a couple of minutes. If no more bites, I'll wind it up. so far she's been pretty fishy. Yeah, see another little tap there. Another little tap. Oh, so as I was saying, just leave it down there for a couple more minutes. You might still have a bit of bait on. It's just half a pulley. I've got the head there. Lob it out, not too far. Like I was saying, the berley's right here, bottom, so they'll just be mooching within 10 meters of that berley. Hit the bottom. I've got the little bait runners today, so if we start missing fish, lock and loaded, we'll let them run. Oh, Stevo's on, Stevo's on. And we got a double hook up. Did you drop it, Stevo? Kiwi. Stevo dropped his, but I'm hooked up. It's the one that Stevo dropped. Oh, another snappy Stevo. Bit nicer fish. Fighting all the way to the boat. It's only just slipped hooked, so Stevo's gonna net it for me. There you go. That's a nice fish, Stevo. Yeah, it's about 50. Nice colour on him.
It's a nice harbour snap.
It is a nice harbour snap, that one. There you go, guys. How's that? That's a nice fish. Nice condition. Not a bad fish. 5 meters of water in the harbour. Oh, Stevo's on again. It's a bit mayhem. Little cube of pilly, we've dropped back to little cubes. Just a little fella, but still takeable if you want. Around that 36, 37. What you gonna do, Stevo? A little bit small. Stevo's gonna let him go. There you go. I've caught some bigger fish here, so we know there's some bigger ones here. He was way takeable, around that 36. But hey, put a couple in the bin, let a couple go. Stevo's on again, getting close to that slack tide. Bites have died away a bit. It was mayhem there near that probably hour before low. And we're hoping when that tide turns to come in, the fish will come on the bite again. It's a nice fish. Another one for the bin, Stevo. Swallowed it. It's coming home. So yeah, that tide's just starting to slacken right off. The boat's swung around, wind's coming from that direction, so it'll start coming in soon, probably in the next sort of 20 minutes. Hopefully the fish come back on the bite. Got a bit crazy there for a while that tide was running, so we'll see. We'll stick it out here for another hour, and if it doesn't happen, we'll move down that other end and maybe see if those big trevs are back down in that back end of the hole. But yeah, not a bad morning so far. Hooked up, just waiting for that tide to turn. It's gone pretty quiet. Another little snappy for the bin, Stevo. Yeah, Steve. Ooh, Stevo's on too. Big trev. There you go. Another little penny. Chuck him in the bin, he swallowed it. What is it? Big trev. Woo! Hold on. Look at the bronzie.
Oh, coming up for a snack on one.
Yeah, keep him there. Don't let him eat it. Just had a big bronzie come up behind Stevo's trev. Oh. Nice big trev, Stevo.
Not as big as that bronzie.
No. Just had this big bronzie come up. We had 2 fish on. I saw a bronzie jumping out of the water about 20 minutes ago down there. Might be the same one. It came up, he's probably about 7, maybe 8 foot long. Stevo's got a nice trev. There you go, nice trev. Nice trevy, Stevo. There's the bronzie. Oh no, he's after my fish. Oh no. Got a big bronzie at the back of the boat. It's after my fish. Come on. Come on.
Bite his ass, man.
Come on, man.
Gonna bite his ass.
Get on the boat. I think it's a trevy, is it? Tuck it in the water. Oh, it's a snap. There's a nice snappy, Stevo. Look at that. Woo. Some nice fish in the harbour, they tell you that. Had this big bronzie. It's come out of the water back there. I think you heard my fish.
I'm in that burley trail.
Yeah.
Swallow it.
It's turning out to be quite a nice little sesh.
Fun.
Bit of fun in the light sun. Go guys, another nice 50 centimetres for the bin. It's probably about our 5th one, 5th or 6th. We've got a bronzie in behind us now. Hopefully it doesn't upset our fishing too much. Might have to pull that berley out before he grabs it. It's quite good. Got our little bait runners now. Basically just let it go because the fishing's a little bit quiet. Have something to chew on, have a drink, wait for the fish to come by.
So it's time to eat.
Yeah. You've already eaten all yours. About half an hour ago.
I think we could eat your food.
That current's still not running yet. Once it starts running, the berley rope basically be going down that way, so we'll know when it's really kicked in. It's just sort of on that sort of quiet time, 20 minutes when it's sort of quiet. Current slowed, fishing slowed. To another trev. Sitting right down the berley. There you go. Another harbour trev. Just a little fella, but big enough for the bin. Oh, the tide's turned for us. And it's fish on again. Double hookups.
Mayhem.
Oh, Stevo's got the shark. Oh, and mine. Just got sharked, both of us. Bugger. Try again if they turn up. Start hammering our fish, we'll have to move. Okay guys, tide's turned and the fish are pretty much back on the bite. Just having to deal with the sharks. Little fella. Lot little fish have turned up. Then we head at the bottom of the tide. Oh, there's a big bronzie after him. Let's had a big bronzie after him. Got him just in time. Just a little fish, well takeable. They're actually quite nice to eat this size. And fillet, it's about 36, 37. We'll probably chuck them in the bin. It's nice to have a couple of smaller fish. Woohoo, Stevo! I'm on, I'm on! Uh-oh. Onto the bronzie.
Expand.
I think it was a trev. Couldn't bring him up quick enough. Done a little bit of a shift. The sharks got a bit crazy on us. Ended up losing a few fish, so never stay there to kill fish. It's a nice big trev, Stevo. Big trevy. Hooked up to a nice big trev. Nah, gets off, gets off. It's a nice trev, about that size Stevo had this morning. Just gonna let him go anyway. But we've moved further up the harbour. Still in 5 metres, found another hole to fish. But we were way up there. Hopefully the sharks stay up there. They don't turn up here. It's quite a bit of fish here, guys, but a lot of little stuff. There's a lot turning up in the Berley trail now. Little snappy. There you go. Still takeable. Around that 37, 36, 37. So we're going to be going soon, so we'll chuck them in the bin. Makes about our 7th one. There you go, little snappy for the bin. Oh, he's running, Stevo. Yeah, he's on, he's on. Yeah, boy. Woo. What you got there, Stevie? Stevo's hooked up.
I think it's a trev.
Oh, is it a trevy? It's got the trevy nod. Ooh. Nice trevy.
Gonzalez. Balboa.
Another nice harbour trev. Yep, let him go. There you go, another nice harbour trev there. Oh, I'm hooked up. Feels like another trev. Getting a few trevs turning up, which is a bit of fun. He's got the trev nod. you go, guys. Another Harbour trev. Beauty, mate. Well, pretty much going to call it a day, guys. It's been a pretty cool day. Actually got onto some nice fish this morning up in the hole up further up there till the sharks turned up on us. And we've moved down to here. We picked up a couple more trevs, a couple of snaps, but shark turned up, so we're going to call it a day. But yeah, we didn't do too badly. Got a nice bin full. Got about 7, maybe 8 snaps max, and I think there's 3 trevs in there. 2 or 3 trevs. So yeah, not too bad. It's quite good up at that other spot where we were this morning. Got some quite nice snaps, and the sharks turned up, pushed us off, and they've turned up here. So yeah, we'll call it. But it's been a pretty cool morning. So hopefully you enjoyed it. Till next time, tight lines.